Solar System. Highlights of the lesson. Big Bang Theory. The universe. Planets. The stars. We learn. How does the sky look during daytime and nighttime? Is there any difference? What can we see in the sky during daytime? And what can we see in the sky during nighttime? Write down your observation. How does the sky look in the night? Have you ever observed the sky during day and night? What did you notice? During night time, the sky looks dark. We can see the moon and stars shining in the sky. During daytime, the sky looks blue with clouds. Our universe is a vast space that contains billions of heavenly bodies. Now let us try to understand the formation of universe. Big Bang Theory. This theory helps us to understand the formation and expansion of universe. Big Bang Theory is a theory that tells how universe, that is space, time and matter was formed in the universe. The universe began as very hot, small, and dense ball with no stars. Atoms, form, or structure. It was like a small point. According to this theory, this tiny point exploded and numerous huge fireballs were formed. Slowly, it started cooling down. During the time, some systems were formed called galaxies. There are numerous galaxies in the universe like Milky Way, Andromeda, etc. Along with these galaxies, other celestial bodies were formed like stars, moon, asteroids, comets, etc. The universe. The universe is everything. It includes all of space and all the matter and energy that space contains. It is a huge expansion of millions and millions of stars with all the heavenly bodies. A large group of stars with planets for a galaxy. The sun is a star and it is a part of universe. There are many galaxies in the universe. The galaxy consists of the sun, the moon, the planets, etc. The name of our galaxy is Milky Way or Akash Ganga. The sun. The sun lies in the center of the solar system. It is a massive ball of burning gas called a star. It is around 100 times bigger than our Earth. Sun looks bigger because it's closer to the Earth than any other star. Sun is very hot because of continuous huge explosion of gases happening in the sun. It gives heat and light to planets in the system. Light from the sun reaches Earth in approximately 8 minutes. The sun looks yellow from Earth. Without the sun, life is not possible on Earth. Do you know? The sunlight takes 8 minutes 20 seconds to reach the surface of the Earth. The solar system. The solar system consists of Sun and all other objects that travel around Sun. These objects include planets, asteroids, pieces of rocks, natural satellites, meteoroids, comets, dwarf planets, dust, and gases. The Sun is the center of our solar system and exerts tremendous gravitational pull on planets, comets, asteroids, satellites, and other objects. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. There are many such galaxies in the universe. Planets. Mercury. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury. It has rocky surface with large holes called craters. These craters were made by fast-moving rocks hitting into the planets from the space. When we look at Mercury from Earth, these craters looks like dark spots. Mercury has no atmosphere. Life is not possible on Mercury because it is either too hot or too cold. Mercury has no moon. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is almost as big as Earth. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, and so life is not possible there. Venus also rotates in the opposite direction as almost all the other planets. Instead of the Sun rising in the east and setting in the west, the Sun on Venus would appear to rise in the west and set in the east. Venus has no moons. Do you know? Planets and satellites do not have their own heat and light like stars. They all shine in the sky as they reflect back the light of the Sun. Earth. The Earth is at the right distance from the Sun and has right mixture of air, heat and water, which makes life possible on Earth. It is the only planet where life is known to exist. About 71% of the Earth is covered with water and 29% with land. Earth has one moon. Moon is a natural satellite. Existence of life on Earth makes it unique planet in the solar system. This planet is also called as blue planet. Mars. Mars is cold and fourth planet from the Sun. It has two moons. It is a rocky planet. Its surface is covered with red dust and hence called red planet. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is made mostly of gases and does not have solid surface. There is huge storm that has been raging for thousands of years and hence it is referred as stormy planet. Jupiter is also a cold planet. It has more than 60 moons moving around it. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is made mostly of gases. It has millions of pieces of rock and ice moving around it. These look like solid rings. Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune also have rings. From far away, these look like solid rings. It has 62 moons. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus is a gas giant. Uranus spins differently. It spins on its side. It is an extremely cold planet and hence been called the ice giant. It has faint rings around it which made of millions of specks of dust. It has 27 moons. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is very cold planet like Uranus. There is dark blue swirl of storm dragging on the planet which makes it look blue in color. It has 14 moons. Dwarf planet. Pluto was considered a planet till 2006. It is now considered as dwarf planet. It has 4 moons. The Moon. The Moon is a large natural object that orbits or travels around Earth. It is a celestial body that orbits around the Earth. It is the natural satellite of the Earth. It revolves around the Earth in an oval shape and it takes 28 days to complete one movement around the Earth. It does not have its own heat and light. Do you know? Artificial satellites are human-made objects orbiting the Earth and the other planets. The stars. Stars are very large and attractive balls of gases. There are numberless stars in this universe. Stars can be seen without telescopes. The Sun is the planet nearest star. Stars always shine in the night sky. Most of the stars are very far away. Stars are found in large groups which are called galaxies. The Sun is also a star. Sirius or the Dog Star is the brightest star. Pole Star or Polaris is the second brightest star and it is also called the North Star. Constellations. A group of stars in the sky, usually named after some object, animal, or mythological being that it supposedly resembles or suggests. The Ursa Major or the Great Bear and Ursa Minor or the Little Bear are the examples of constellations. Let's recall. Our Sun is the nearest star to our planet Earth. The universe is a huge heavenly body. The energy we get from the Sun is called solar energy. All planets move around the Sun in a fixed elliptical path which is called the orbit. The Earth is also called the blue planet. The Moon revolves around the Earth. The Moon does not have its own heat and light. Glossary. Planets. Large objects that orbit around the Sun. Satellites. Heavenly or artificial bodies that revolve around a planet. Elliptical. The oval shape. Astronauts. Persons who travel in a spacecraft. Assessment. 1. Answer the following. 1. Name the twin planet of the Earth. Answer. The twin planet of Earth is Venus. 2. Name the brightest star. Answer. The brightest star visible from Earth is Sirius. 3. What is the universe? Answer. The universe is the entirety of space, including all matter, energy, galaxies, stars, planets, and cosmic phenomena. 4. What is the solar system? Answer. The solar system consists of the Sun and all celestial objects bound to it by gravity, including planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. 5. Why is the Sun important to us? Answer. The Sun is important to us because it provides heat and light necessary for life on Earth through the process of photosynthesis. It also drives the Earth's climate and weather patterns. 6. Which is the only natural satellite of the Earth? Answer. The only natural satellite of the Earth is the Moon.